let's get into some music by one of the artists that will be there doing the thing. Man himself, Lionheart, Ras Lionheart.
Yo, should they have a one gun, them feel them bad. And they get two gun, them think them bad. And they pick up three gun, you feel you bad. And you gone on the road, you think you bad. And you pick up one car, you feel you bad. And you pick up two man, you feel you bad. And you pick up three gun, you think you bad. And you gone on the road, you feel you bad. But none of them no bad, and none of them no bad. Send them meet God, send them meet God. Cause none of them.
Yeah, man, you can hear a lot more of this and more coming from Lionheart, from the salsa camp. There's more than what I can play here.
Lion from Zion, and me tougher than a piece of pipe iron. When me reach, me just slew everybody. When me reach, me slew anybody. Me love Selassie Emmanuel and Marcus Garvey, Empress Menen, Taito, Ethiopian Jah guide me. Well, real recognize real, I say. And who know you feel well, I say. And true me not play well, I say. Can't kill Rasta, well, I say. None of them can come round and stop me. Show them love them at the fall me Nike. Gun down my car after me help him. I saw enough of them bad mind me. Do you have a one gun, you feel you bad. And you pick up two gun, you think you're mad. And you gone on the road, you feel you bad. And you pick up two man, you think you're mad. And you pick up one car, you feel you bad. And you gone on a work, you think you're mad. And you pick up three man, you feel you bad. And you gone on the road, you feel you bad. But none of them no bad, none of them no bad. None of them no bad, none of them no bad. Send them meet God, send them meet God. Send them meet God, send them meet God. Eliminate them like the Matrix. And I who them a play tricks. Could I wear jacket and tie, still I get fixed. Politician in politics. And I who them a play tricks. Kick them off of the stage quick. Like Jet Li, Bruce Lee. None of them can stop we. When me reach, me just slew everybody. When me reach, me slew everybody. Me reach, me just slew everybody. When me reach, me slew anybody. Have a one gun, you feel you bad. And you get a two gun, you think you're mad. And you pick up three gun, you feel you bad. And you gone on the road, you think you're mad. And you pick up one man, you feel you bad. And you pick up two man, you think you're mad. And you pick up three man, you feel you bad. And you gone on the road, you feel you mad. But none of them no bad, none of them no bad. None of them no bad, none of them no bad.
Ras Lionheart, if you think you're bad, watch this one you know.
Our kingdom, we fight to protect it. Our kingdom, won't let nobody have it.
Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry. See they kill the Dan, then kill the Danet. Kill another one, shoot up Carbonet. Then kill one, kill him for the creepy. Oh my Lord, me say Trinidad sticky. What me say? Man a crash, man a berry. Oh my Lord, me say Trinidad scary. What me say? Can't take no more. So me and the youths them a go on tour. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry about them. Go and do it thing and no worry. So you must say Madawa, like you do believe in Agadawa. You want me take me knife and stab Arwa, I lick them down with me radarwa. Ha! I care for you, care for me back. I share with you, share with me back. I eat with you, eat with me back. But no man can climb past.
Yeah, that is from Rastland. I want to just tell you that there's a lot more coming from this artist, I know he's working on an album there, so you can know more about Rastland after his performance at Baseline Mondays tonight.